how to connect two Bluetooth headphones to one PC. So actually this option is not available on every system. This is only available on the later systems here. So ensure your PC have Bluetooth 5.0, right, which supports streaming audio to multiple devices simultaneously. So if you don't have, Bluetooth device 5.0 version, then you won't be able to use it. Now, A2DP support. Both your PC and headphones must support Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, which is called A2DP, for optimal performance. Now, how to connect? The simplest way to connect two pairs of Bluetooth headphones is by using a Bluetooth adapter designed for multi-point connections. Some recommended models are, Aventry Orbit, which is this one. You can use this one, or you can look for any other adapters that specifically mention support for Bluetooth 5.0, and look for adapter just that support it. Now, virtual audio cable support, you can also do this by using like virtual audio cable, allow you to route audio to multiple outputs including Bluetooth headphones. Now you have to download this app, but it just only works on some of the devices, it doesn't work on every device. So this is how you can do this, and there are other options such as a voice meter. That this is also another software. Let me show you up, right? So you can also use this voice meter, which will help you to connect to headphones. But this also supports some of the systems, so you can try this up, right? So if the solution work, then it's great. Otherwise, you can use a hardware solution, which is a Bluetooth splitter. This device connect to your PC and allow multiple Bluetooth devices to pair with it simultaneously, right? So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.